What's up, y'all? So if you know me, you probably know that my best friend has her own business, CocoMoco Co, and I actually have this necklace is from there. See, year I was born 1998, and then the package that she just sent me for my birthday came in the mail, and I'm excited to open it. And she actually just changed her packaging, so she kind of wanted me to react to her new packaging. Before, it was still cute. I still have some of the pieces, but I don't know where it's at. But it comes in a pink bag like this. It's cute. I said that like it's not really cute. It is cute. I especially love this little sticker. This sticker is like the cutest addition to it, and I like cardboard colored things, so I think it's really cute. I'm not the biggest fan of pink, but this is like, it actually stands out, and it kind of like, oh, if you order from CocoMoco, you know that you're gonna have packaging that looks like this, as well as a sticker. I'm gonna open it. I'm excited. I have so many friends that have businesses, and I would love to like show y'all all of them, especially right now, Black businesses. It's our time. I don't really have a business, but you know, one day. So another card, and her hand, like, y'all, look at her handwriting. She's always had the best handwriting. Anyway, Black businesses right now, you know, doing it up, and I love it. I'm really here for it. But it says, thank you for your order. You made our day. We hope we make yours. If you have any questions about your order, contact us anytime. We'd love to hear from you. On a card like that. And then her business card, which is super cute. And it says, CocoMoco Co, we are dedicated to offering you cute, trendy, high quality accessories and more. That's her contact information, like the Facebook page, Instagram page, and the website as well. Oh my god, I just like this. And it has confetti, which I think is really cute to add. I wanted a silver necklace because while I do love this necklace, every day I wear this silver pineapple necklace, and it's so cute. Okay. Roux comes from half of my first name and half of my middle name. Roux is not my government name, okay? Whoever needs to know my government name knows my government name. But it's like my Instagram name, Twitter, everything that I use. It's so, like, y'all see how cute that is? Oh my gosh. And she packages everything herself. I'm trying to figure out. So I took my pineapple necklace to take these pictures because they were for her business. So we will find it and then I'll show y'all. Ooh, so this silver pineapple necklace that my mom bought for me, it's just like that. And I wear it almost every single day. So I'm hopefully people don't see it and they're like, hey, Roux. And I was like, so I'm gonna open it. Really easy to open. I believe the standard size of her jewelry is 10-inch chains. So about the same length as this. Come down right here. You can either get a connector, or I know that she's starting to offer more sizes. And I also know that she's a new business as well. So it's gonna take time to, you know, expand. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it on and I'll be back. Look at it. It's so, oh, thanks, Lear. It's unlimited characters as well for, if not all, but most of the name necklaces. Unlimited characters. One of my friends got her Instagram name that has 14 characters in it, and same price. So please hop on this train before it gets too far ahead of you. I'm planning on, hopefully, I'm broke, y'all, so that's what's keeping me from doing this, But hopefully I get to try out some more of my friends' businesses and be able to do videos on them, even maybe talk to them on camera and just talk about being an entrepreneur. So I know it's not an easy thing to do, especially at a young age as well. It's not an easy thing to do because we have other responsibilities. Like, it's nice to say you were there from the beginning, from the start of whenever they're like a small business, and see them just grow and expand. Just support, please. Anything that you can do, even if you can't buy something, retweet, share, send it to somebody else. I'm doing my small part by just showing you necklace and everything, and I hope to do my other friends' businesses as well. And yeah, and please put businesses down below, whether it's yours, friends, someone that you just like, especially restaurants and food, because I would love to go eat some takeout though, because I'm not sending. We're in quarantine. I don't want to be around a bunch of people. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, check the description box for other Black businesses that I love. Shout out to my friends for doing what you're doing. It's really dope to see my friends having businesses and just seeing it grow and expand, and I'm excited for them just as much as they're excited, if not more, because it's really awesome. Even with YouTube, like, the love that I'm getting from my friends is really amazing. So I can only do my part by, you know, sharing with y'all what they got going on. So again, CocoMoco Co. Remember the name. Remember it now. Ain't that right, Jolie? Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Videos every single Tuesday, and I'll see y'all next time. In our day. Sorry, that's my dog. What you doing? Jolie, come here.